Hello everyone, this is David Pasqualone with Ascend, and today we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to recover a tile. Recover meaning not throw it away. I know we live in a generation with a mindset that everything's disposable, one-time use, but I still hate throwing stuff away unless it needs to be. So my son said his tile battery was bad, and he looked it up and it says throw it away, but I couldn't believe it, so I asked him for it. Found out you can use this little device. It's a paint can opener. You put it in the corner, pop it open. Now the first time you do it, it'll sound like you're breaking it. It's because they put glue around the edges. Just simply slide the paint can opener gently around the sides. It'll pop off. Then you'll see the chip inside. You pop that out. And then there's a battery. They also glue the battery down so gently so you don't ruin it. Pry that up. And then you just take your new battery, pop it in. And then once you pop it in, there's even a little circle so you can see where it goes. Pop that in. Then put your cover back. Slide the motherboard on top. And you'll hear it all click together nicely, right? And then once that's together, you put the cover back. And then you may want to reapply on the inside a little bit of super glue just to hold it together. And boom, you just saved 20 bucks on a tile by only buying a battery. And you're done. That's it. Hope this video helps. Bye.